10.5 Null hypothesis. Once the problem has been described, it must be translated into a statistical hypothesis regarding some population characteristics. The null hypothesis becomes the focal point for the entire test procedure, even though we usually hope to reject it. In the test with SAT scores, the null hypothesis asserts that, with respect to the national average of 500, nothing special is happening to the mean score for the local population of freshmen. An equivalent statement in symbol reads, the null hypothesis is equal to the mu of 500. The null hypothesis is a statistical hypothesis that usually asserts that nothing special is happening with respect to some characteristic of the underlying population. It's a precise statement about population and not sample. Finding the single number for null hypothesis. It varies from problem to problem, and you use estimation if impossible to find. 10.6 Alternative hypothesis. Alternative hypothesis is the opposite of the null hypothesis. Local population does not equal national average. Research hypothesis is usually identified with the alternative hypothesis. This is the informal hypothesis or hunch that inspires the entire investigation. For example, a deviation from national average. Progress check 10.2. Indicate what's wrong with each of the following statistical hypotheses. A. Different numbers in both. B. Use a sample mean instead of population. Progress check 10.3. The means will be what is given, 10.2, 16, and 11.